It's time for DIY with Donna. In this episode, we're going to learn how to make your legs look amazing. I've had so many people ask me what I do to make my legs look the way they do, and I'm going to tell you. So, what are you going to need? You're going to need some Bare Minerals made by Femme, baked bronzing in Summer Kiss. That's made by Femme, and that's from Sally's Beauty Supply. You're going to need gloves. I usually use this Tan-Wise foaming water in dark, as well as I add a few drops of the Tan-Wise DHA drops within it, and this is what that looks like. But it takes about 6 hours to develop, so I'm not going to use that today. I'm going to use the Tan-Wise Bronzing Self Tan Mousse, and you also get this from Sally's Beauty Supply. I also use the Equate baby wash. I buy this at Walmart. It's about $1.97. I use this as my body wash all the time. This is the razor I use, the Intuition Fab. I love this razor. It goes up and down. And ladies, this is my little secret. I use this moisturizer on my face and my body. It's Equate, compared to Vaseline Intensive Care Advanced Repair. I get this at Walmart for 97 cents, and I use that all the time. There's no fragrance in it. It is great for your skin. The first thing you want to do is mix sugar with coconut oil and do an exfoliation all over your legs. Get all the dead skin off, all of the rough skin on your knees, get that off, and just do a really good exfoliation. The sugar and the coconut oil most of us already have in the cupboard, and it's very inexpensive. Now you'll take the baby wash and the Fab razor and shave your legs. I know I don't have to tell you ladies how to do that.
Gucci, Skechers, Prada, flip-flops, don't matter which ones you wear. Jimmy Choo, Nike, Tonal, Lima, Birkenstocks, troubles come in every pair. Walk a mile in my shoes.
Now just take the lotion, the Equate lotion, and do make sure you put it on all the rough areas on your legs, especially your knees, on the cap of your knees. And take the bronzer. Make sure you shake it up really well. It is a foam, so you want it to be foamy. And then put your gloves on. And put it in your hand first. And I rub it together in my hands. And I apply it all over my legs. And I try to stay away from my knees as much as possible. I do just like a short little, over my knees. And then I will take a towel and I will go ahead and take some of the bronzer off my knees. And you'll see me do that in a minute here.
Downtown there's a ragged man, getting by the best he can. Says just needs a helping hand. Walk a mile in my shoes.
I will go ahead and kind of just rub some of it off just so it's out of the rough areas. And now I'm going to take my Mineral Effects in Summer Kiss, and this is what really makes your legs look spectacular is this stuff. This is what puts the icing on the cake. It hides all of the imperfections on your legs, period. The bronzer will do that too. It's really good to even out your skin all over your body if you have freckles or whatever, but I put the tanner on and then I put this on afterwards, and it covers all of the imperfections, and I will focus on like the rough parts or any scratches I have or bruises, and it takes them away. It really makes your legs look flawless even though they are not. Make sure you wash your hands really well after you are done, and voila! Your legs will look amazing and flawless.